Just kidding, it's fake. Hey, I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. But lately I've been going through a lot of things that I had made for my wedding, and obviously like I no longer need it, but it's kind of hard to part with some of it because it's sentimental and I spent like a lot of time on it. So I've been repurposing a lot of my stuff. I've repurposed my seating chart, the neon sign that is behind me, and also a mirror so far. So I made an arch, and then along with that arch I had made a bouquet with fake flowers to like put onto it. And so I have a video about making the bouquet already, which I will link in the description below. I didn't want to get rid of it, so I decided to turn that into a prop that I could use for pictures in my small business. So I turned it into this. It's a basket and I arranged all the flowers in there. I think it's cute, right? So if you want to see how I made it, just keep watching and we'll get right into it. So this is what the flower bouquet looked like when I put it on my arch. The flowers that I had at my wedding were neutrals with some blush and cream and greenery. So that's what I made here. And honestly, I'm very proud of myself. I had no idea what I was doing and I just kind of threw it all together and hoped for the best. And here's a little up close moment. I just want to appreciate it before I completely take it apart, but it's okay because I am creating something new with it, so it's not totally lost. So the only two things that I'm using besides the flowers is a basket with bigger holes on the side so I can poke the flowers through them. And this is flower foam, so you could use it with either your fake flowers to stick it into, kind of like styrofoam. Florists use it for flower arrangements. So I'm just gonna line the bottom with them. And all I'm doing is just taking the flowers apart and sticking them into the foam. Now, I'm not going to talk really much in this video because there's really like nothing for me to talk about. You won't get to hear my voice, but hopefully it'll be pretty relaxing and you could just watch the flowers be made. I wanted to use as many as I can, so I went around the whole side and both corners. And I had a lot of flowers left over, so I decided to just fill the top in too, because why not? And what's really nice about this foam, it's pretty stress-free because you can just take the flowers in and out and rearrange them like whenever you want. And it's all finished. Look at that. I'm happy with it. I'm happy that I didn't have to completely get rid of it. And I'm still trying to figure out how to use it for my small business, but for this video I just put it in the background so you could see what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more crafting content from me, just subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!